Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at Active Directory. So I'm gonna demonstrate the attack LLMNR. So in full form we can call linked local multi-name resolution. So this is caused by DNS failure. So here I have my 2019 server, and another I have two client for that. So client this Windows is gonna do file share. So from domain name is pp, and file is test me, so I'm gonna access through this. So in normal condition, so if I try to access uh, like this pp slash test me, so normally we will get the access. So what if we mistype the uh, domain name or file name? So normally we should get an error, right? Because that domain doesn't exist. So what we are trying to get is to, whenever this machine try to access the wrong domain or wrong mistyped domain, so we are going to capture the uh, domain name and try to authenticate, get a hash from it. So let's begin. So we need to do sudo, then the responder. The okay, it worked. So it is throwing an error. Windows cannot access this domain, so that means it's not working. So if we do, yes, if we do interface, I for interface wlan 0, and let's do verbose mode, and let's do enter, let's do dummy. So it's successful. So it's capturing this session. So what I want to do is let's do that again. So let's do with wrong domain name, and let's go for it. Let's do enter, and let's see this session captured. So let's do that again. So then p, then let's do test me, let's do enter. So now we have captured the hash. So we did it a lot of time, so that's all right. So we have our username as Marvel administrator. So this is our hash. So basically what we can do is, let's go and split this, right? And we can do echo, then let's paste it, let's redirect to hash .txt, let's do enter, and we can do hashcat dash mode 5600. So this is for anti-LM hash, and after that we have our hash, and let's give our word list. For that, pass the txt, then let's do enter. So let's wait for it to crack it. Okay, now it's done, I guess. So let's wait for a few seconds. So So it's done. So this is what it showed. Then what we can do is that as so now we have the domain name as marble, and this is the username, and that's our password. Thank you guys.